How to add a debit card in the Cash app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add a debit card in the Cash app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash app application on your device. Tap on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the app. Now scroll down the page and tap on the Linked Banks option. Further, go ahead and add your debit card information and select the Link Card option. Now, you can send and receive money through Cash app using the new debit card. So, this is how you can add a debit card in the Cash app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.